Guyana's first lift of 1 million barrels of oil is scheduled for early next week. Dr. Mark Bino, director of the Department of Energy, says this will represent part of Guyana's profit oil allocation of 12.5%.
Additionally, the country will be receiving its 2% royalty on gross production of all oil produced. The monies from the sale of Guyana's crude and its cash-based royalty will be deposited into the Natural Resource Fund account that is being managed by the Bank of Guyana.
Late last January, Exxon announced its 16th oil find offshore Guyana. Its first announcement was in May of 2015. The estimates of the resource have now moved to 8 billion barrels.
To date, Liza 1 field has produced over 2.7 million barrels of oil, of which Exxon has had its first 2 lifts. And as I indicated earlier, the Cooperative Republic of Guyana will have her first lift, which is third in line early in the new week.
The Department of Energy had previously announced that Shell Western Supply and Trading Limited will buy Guyana's first 3 lifts, an introductory phase of release the crude grade into the market. According to the department, Shell was selected based on competitive pricing that limits the government's exposure to market uncertainty. The size, scale, and global reach of the Shell trading operations, the company's high level of integration between upstream, among other factors. Meanwhile, the hull for the second floating production, storage, and offloading vessel, the Liza Unity, has been completed. It sailed from Shanghai on December 29, 2019.
The topside fabrication is progressing well. These are the modules, basically the accommodation modules, the compressor modules, the gas modules. They're all currently being constructed, 19 such modules, which will then be placed on the hull, or which we want to call it the foundation of the boat, which will then be built out as we begin to hook up various elements of that structure.
Additionally, there are some 4 drill ships in Guyana which continue to explore and appraise new resources, as well as develop the resources within approved projects. A 5th drill ship is expected to be deployed later this year. Handel Duncan H, GP Nightly News.